sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle. me, sees me. I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, sees me. I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, sees me. I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, save me? I'm losing every battle.
Alright you guys, that is it for today's look. It's like, I kind of turned it into like a watermelon look. I have the green smoky eye happening. Put a little bit of glitter. I put no glitter adhesive. I literally just picked up the glitter and like just like dabbed it on my eye. Very free, you know, freeform like. Just did it. The lips, what I did was black liner around it. And then I like filled it in with some pink. And then I went on to put some dots in the center of it, kind of like the remnants of watermelon. This look is totally inspired by a friend of mine named Miz Palou. Dominic, you're such a great friend. And yeah, I don't know, I just thought about watermelon. I was like, I want to do like a green watermelon like look. And this is the look that I came up with. Hope you guys like it. It's interesting. I didn't shave, so this is not really a drag look. It's kind of like a look that I would do if I was going out. I never wear makeup out, but I think I'm going to start wearing makeup out because I'm getting better at applying makeup. So what better way to like get better than just to keep doing it? Like I've always been saying, practice makes perfect. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's straight to the point. I want to say again, thank you for the love and the support. I've literally been getting like so much love from the content I've been creating, and listen, it's just motivated me to keep creating more content for you guys. I'm at 152 subscribers now. Like literally like a couple days ago I was at 140 something. Now I'm at 152. I know it's not a whole lot, you guys, but it really means the world to me. Like, it just means a lot. So y'all are motivating me to keep making videos. I'm gonna keep on making videos. I want to be in some way some help for somebody out there who needs help with makeup, because I know makeup has been super frustrating to learn how to get or to grasp. But hopefully this content I'm creating will help you get the hang of it. I talk with my hands a lot. That part. I'm gonna give y'all a couple seconds to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Alright, go ahead and subscribe now. Did you guys subscribe? Did you guys hit the bell for notifications? I'm gonna need y'all to do that. You still didn't do it. You still looking at me like I'm crazy. Click the subscribe button. Thank you! And also go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, because you guys have no idea how much the thumbs up helped. It helps out a shit ton. And click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I create a new video. Because I am posting videos every single week. There will not be a week where I do not post a video, and I can promise you that. Well, and if there's a week I don't post a video, there's a really good reason why the video is not posted. Either something happened, Murphy's Law, it's a thing I learned about in high school and in college. Murphy's Law happened. So, with that being said, I kind of want to put this out here right now that everyone goes through things. So if you're out there going through something right now, I just want to let you know that you are not alone. I myself go through a lot. I'm going through stuff right now. I'm totally okay, don't get me wrong, but the last couple of days have been really stressful for me, and just a lot of things have been going wrong, more wrong than right. But I think about all the great things in life. I think about me creating my content, me going for my goals, me being healthy. So all that, all the bad stuff, all the bad juju, put that to the side. And let's think about all the good stuff in our life, all the good stuff that surrounds us, because that's what really matters at the end of the day, is what is good. Alright, that's my little spiel. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.